Hello friends, this question is from the test series 4 from the subjects of EDC and the topic name is semiconductor theory. It's a 1 marks problem. In the problem it is given this: there is a transistor with an emitter base voltage VEB is equal to the 20 millivolt, has a collector current IC of 5 milliampere. And the question further says that if the VEB of if the transistor value if the VEB is increased to 30 millivolt, then it is observed that IC is equal to 30 milliampere. Then question asks that what will be the value of current IC if the voltage of emitter to base voltage VEB is 40 millivolt. Means that we have to calculate the current collector current IC in case of 40 millivolt VEB. So we know that the transistor is basically made up of two series diodes. Transistor is nothing but a series combination of two diodes, and diode current is followed by diode current is related to its voltage as I naught e raised to power Vd by Vt. In our case, the output current is IC and the voltage is VEB. So it means that our IC will be related to the supply voltage as I naught e raised to power minus VEB by Vt, where Vt is the thermal voltage. So in the first condition, question says that my IC is 5 milliamp and my VEB is 20 volt. Okay, sorry, it's not minus VEB, it's a plus VEB. Yes, some slight mistake here. It's plus VEB by Vt. Okay. So in the first case, question says that the current is 5 milliamp and the voltage is 20 millivolt. So we can get one equation here. Okay. Now in the second case, question says that now if the supply voltage is 30 milliamp, then my current will be 5 milliamp, 30 milliamp. It means that if my output is 30 milliamp in case of supply voltage of 30 millivolt by Vt, right? Now you can just divide this 30 millivolt into 20 millivolt e raised to power 20 by Vt plus into e raised to power 10 by Vt, because we know that in the multiplications, if you multiply two number a raised to power b into a raised to power c, the combination is a raised to power b plus c, because in multiplication powers are added in the same if the coefficient is same. So similarly, I have divided the e raised to power 30 by Vt into e raised to power 20 by Vt into e raised to power 10 by Vt. So if you can look at this combination, I naught e raised to power 20 by Vt, we already have the value of this, which is 5. So from the equation number 1, if you put the value of this part, so this equation will be modified as 30 is equal to 5 into e raised to power 10 by Vt. So by simple calculation, you can get the value of e raised to power 10 by Vt as 6. Now further, you have get the value of 10 by Vt as 6. It means that if you put this value in the question of 1, which is e raised to power 20 by Vt, e raised to power 20 by Vt can be simplified as I naught e raised to power 10 by Vt whole square. Was the 2's multiplied, so e raised to power 10 by Vt, if you can put the value of 6 here, then you can get the value of I naught as 5 upon 36. That is what I have put it here. The value of I naught has comes to be 5 upon 36 milliampere. Now finally the question says that what will be the output current IC in case of VEB equal to 40 millivolt. So I have put the VEB as a 40 millivolt and we have to calculate the value of IC. We already know the value of I naught, which is 5 by 36. Again the same trick, I can divide e raised to power 40 by Vt as e raised to power 10 by Vt into power of 4. We know that value of e raised to power 10 by Vt is 6. So it's a 6 raised to power 4. Simple calculation, and output current comes out as 180 milliamp. In this case, my correct option is option C. Option C is my answer. Thank you very much.